So during this pandemic, a lot of people have lost their jobs and companies have gone bankrupt. But ESDS has maintained the growth. And in fact, you've been hiring a lot of people. So what makes ESDS a great place to work?
When I started ESDS in the year 2005, so the entire motive and the purpose behind starting a company at such young age was because I realized that wherever I worked, so my father, my eldest maternal uncle, my HOD in the college days, they said when you work in India in different organizations, you are treated very badly when you spend more and more time in the same organization. And at when they said this, I was not ready to accept it. I wanted to do that experiment myself. And when I worked in two different companies, I realized that the culture actually is what they told me. People were treated badly in those days. So this was like 17-18 years back, and I realized that I need to start my own organization, and that is what my father and my eldest maternal uncle, they also pushed me a lot to start something on my own. So the thought process to start the organization of my own was to make sure that I create a horizontal organization where everyone is treated respectfully, everyone is looked after equally in the organization, and nothing major than that. Like, I never anticipated that I am going to make a multi-million-dollar or multi-billion-dollar organization. Only simple expectation that treat humans the way humans should be treated, and the journey started from there. And my biggest weakness was human resource management. The concept of running the business was very clear. People should be happy, or flat organization and growth for everyone. But then how do I manage human resources? That was probably one of the biggest challenge I had in the journey. And then I figured out that once you onboard some good HR people, and if you have a good HR team, you can take good care of your people. And just having good intent is not important to make an organization big. You also need good people in the administration role, in the HR role, and that is the whole differentiator which ESDS has today. The way people have been looked after, the kind of discipline we have in the organization, the culture that we have today, the way we have looked after people during this pandemic and even before the pandemic. So I am personally accessible to people who panicked during the pandemic and those who had issues with their family members. So I have helped them out a whole night. Like, it's been couple of nights where I was awake to arrange hospitals and beds for our people. And I understand that it's not just the system, or it's not just the processes or the entire culture of the organization, but the human approach. The accessibility of the top management is also very important for the people to have that comfort that, okay, if something goes wrong with my family, something goes wrong with my career, there is someone whom I can directly call. So that is the kind of culture that we have built in ESDS, and that is the reason people are so happy. And where our majority people are currently based out of Nasik, and then Mumbai, Delhi, Bangalore. So it's a distributed organization now, and people at all locations are happy. Earlier people told me that you are in a tier 3 city like Nasik, and that's the reason you have so many people happy over there, because the city is good. But now 50% people in Nasik and 50% people across India, outside India as well, like 4 other countries where we have our people. And when they all are happy, so definitely we are doing something right and personally taking care of the people. And I would definitely give entire credit to the leadership team, the HR team, the administration team to take such good care of the people. And a company that has come up from a city like Nasik being ranked amongst 15 top companies all over Asia and number 2 in India, it's not a joke, or it's not an easy thing to achieve. Definitely a lot of companies are trying to do that, but they've not been able to do that. We've been able to do that because we are doing something right, which others should also adopt. and start treating people well, treat humans like humans, and create a horizontal organization where everyone is treated with love, respect, care, and definitely the world would be a much better place to live.